In a little town named Sunshine, nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling blue sea, lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy loved everything about his town, but most of all, he adored the sun. Every morning, he would wave at the sun as it rose, and every evening, he would thank it for a beautiful day. One day, something strange happened. The sun seemed a little sad. It wasn't its usual bright, cheerful self. Timmy noticed this right away and felt a pang in his heart. He decided to do something about it. Timmy ran to his grandmother's house, where he found his grandmother knitting by the window. "Grandma," he said, "the sun looks sad. What can we do to make it happy again?" His grandmother smiled and said, "Well, Timmy, the sun is like a giant ball of fire because it's always working hard to keep us warm and give us light. Maybe it needs a break." Timmy thought for a moment and then said, "I'll help it rest. I'll make it a special gift." He ran to his room and gathered some colorful flowers, his paint set, and a piece of paper. He drew a beautiful picture of the sun, filled with vibrant colors and a big, friendly smile. The next day, Timmy held his gift high and ran to the beach. He waved at the sun and said, "Here you go, Sunday. I made this for you." The sun looked at the picture and its rays seemed to dance with joy. It smiled back at Timmy, brighter than ever before. Timmy felt a sense of happiness like never before. He knew he had made a difference. From that day forward, the sun always seemed a little brighter and a little happier. Timmy continued to make gifts for the sun, and he learned that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. And so, the town of Sunshine became even more beautiful, filled with laughter, love, and the warm, happy glow of the sun. Timmy was happy too, knowing that he had a special friend in the sky. The end.